Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
This was the starting point for my gingerbread candyland inspired tree. I began with the bow and ribbon to set the tone and then built the rest of the space around that. I wanted the overall look to feel playful, soft, and a little whimsical, so I carried the theme beyond the tree with its gingerbread details and classic holiday accents. You'll see that same pastel and gingerbread color palette reflected throughout the room, including the seating area, so everything feels connected. To start the decorating process, I lightly flocked the tree to soften the branches and create a snowy base.
And the fire is slowly dying. And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me.
Before adding anything to the tree, I laid out all of the decor so I could see the colors and textures together. For this tree, I'm using soft pastel sprinkle textures, cupcake details, and gingerbread inspired pieces. I didn't follow a strict plan. I adjusted as I went and focused on balance and letting the theme come together naturally. As you can see, these items were all purchased from Hobby Lobby, Michael's, At Home, and a few items were from Amazon.
So let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. So let it snow, let it snow.
This layered bow was handmade using ribbon that I purchased from Hobby Lobby and Michael's. The gingerbread house ribbon was purchased at Hobby Lobby, as well as the purple ribbon with the donut. The purple ribbon is to tie in the Candyland theme, and the gingerbread ribbon is to tie in the gingerbread theme that's also in the kitchen. The green ribbon just adds another layer of color, as well as ties in some of the green ornaments that I'm going to be adding to the tree.
And the fire is slowly dying. And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Here's the reveal of the gingerbread candyland themed tree with the gingerbread family. Take a look at all the beautiful colors and layers. Here's how the space came together. The gingerbread details, soft pastels, and textures all tie back to the tree, creating a playful but balanced look. I added a nutcracker and a gingerbread pieces near the fireplace to help carry the theme throughout the room and make the space feel layered and intentional. Here for the seating area, I kept the base neutral and layered in pink accents and gingerbread print pillows to reflect the same color palette. The soft throw adds warmth without overpowering the space. If you're interested in seeing the other trees I decorated, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.